Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Hawkins, and I am going to go over our activities for week 8 for science. Today, or this week, actually, we're going to do activities 1 and 3. Activity 1 is objects in the sky talking about the moon. So each night you're going to go outside and observe the sky and look at the moon. The moon can change the way that it looks depending on how the sun is shining on everything and the reflection of that light. Those changes happen the same way every month, and we call that a pattern. And in science, we call that a phase. So these are the moon phases. So you're going to use these resources here to learn about the moon phases. Here, you'll watch a pebble go, and it has a username and password, so write it down so you can enter it. The Pebble Go will actually have videos and it will have some little slideshows and pictures that will help you learn about the moon phase. Then you'll click here and watch a video called Why Does the Moon Change? And it's in YouTube. And then you can look at this moon phase chart where it shows how the moon changes. Well, actually goes in this direction. So we start with a half moon, and then it goes to this kind of big moon, then a whole moon, then kind of big again, another half, then it looks like a little toenail, then nothing, then another toenail and a half. So you can see that it changes names, waxing and waning. In waxing, it means that the moon appears to get bigger. Either the actual moon looks bigger or the shadow looks bigger. If it's gibbous, that means that the moon part is showing more. If it's crescent, it means the shadow is showing more. So you can see that how it moves around the earth each month, it changes. And here's a little key to remind you of waning and crescent and waxing and gibbous, okay? Then each night you'll observe that and do your tracking on the moon tracker chart. You'll do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Put the date in, draw what you see, and on Friday you will share in the posting here. If your parents want to print this out, here is the link to print it out. Remember, you click on the Friday post, and once it opens, you will be able to either click in this box and you will be able to type in your response, description of your work. You can, if they use their cell phone or device to take a picture of your work, you can upload it here in File. Or you can click here on the audio video recording, click audio video once it opens, and you can make a video recording of your work and show your work by holding it up and click post. Okay, activity 3 is Shape Up, where we're going to be talking about the physical property of shape. And we're going to use our sense of sight, which is our eyes, to look at shapes, and we will be recording what we find. Here is a worksheet that I found that talks about or allows you to record what you see around your house in these 4 shapes: circle, square, rectangle, triangle. So you'll find something shaped like a circle. Then find something that's shaped like a square, something that's shaped like a rectangle, and something shaped like a triangle. You'll draw them, or if your parents allow, use magazine pictures and put them here in these shapes. Then on Friday, you will click the Friday post again, and you will share your work with me. There is a link here where you can click if your parents want to download or print out this worksheet, or you can just simply fold a piece of paper twice and have 4 sections and label circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and draw in your pictures or paste in your pictures. All right, boys and girls, I cannot wait to see your work on Friday. Have fun with science. See you then.